Hey guys, is back here with another unboxing video, and today I have the Redmi 4. It is the 9000 rupee version. It comes with 32 GB ROM. This here is the mobile phone. So Redmi 4 trending here. So it is made in India unit. And as you can see, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, and all that specs here. So let's unbox it. So here is the phone. Then we have these user manual, some more documentation. This is the micro USB cable. And this is the power adapter. It is 2 amp charger. And here is the SIM ejector tool. There are no earphones in the box, so let's put this aside. So let me give you a physical overview. This is the power button, this is the volume up and down here. These are the antennas. Then we have the IR blaster up top, and this is the mic. And this here is 3.5mm jack. This is the SIM tray. And at the bottom, one of this is the speaker. This is the micro USB port. And at the front we get camera. This is the speaker again and sensor. So it is turned on. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is the home screen. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please press that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos on this device, and I will see you guys in the next video.